Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fast, reliable VPS hosting without breaking the bank, this video is going to save you a ton of money. Today I'm sharing the best Hostinger VPS coupon codes and deals for 2025, plus a few pro tips to maximize your savings when signing up. Hostinger is already known for offering some of the most affordable VPS plans with solid performance, but with the right coupon code, you can get even better value. Let's dive straight into the codes that are working right now. The first one is VPS 2025 SAVE. This will get you 10% off any VPS plan. It's a great option if you're just starting out and want to keep your monthly cost as low as possible. Next up, Host 15 VPS, which gives you 15% off when you choose a 12-month or longer plan. This is perfect if you're committed to running your project long-term and want to lock in the lowest possible price. Then there's Power Up 25, which is an excellent choice. If you're going for higher tier VPS plans, you'll get 25% off for the first billing cycle. This one is ideal for businesses or developers who need more power right out of the gate. And if you're a new Hostinger customer, try new VPS 2025. This code applies an extra discount on top of any ongoing Hostinger sale, so you're stacking savings. Finally, keep an eye out for Flash VPS, a limited time code that pops up during Hostinger's special promotions and gives a quick 5% to 10% off any VPS plan. These don't last long, so grab them when you see them. Here's how to make the most of these codes. Always check Hostinger's site for seasonal sales, like New Year, Black Friday, or back-to-school deals, because you can often use these coupon codes on top of those already discounted prices. If you're running a business or long-term project, go for a longer billing cycle, like 24 or 48 months. The longer term locks in the discount rate and saves you the most money over time. That's it. Those are the best Hostinger VPS coupon codes and saving strategies for 2025. With these codes and a little timing, you can get premium hosting at one of the best prices available this year. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tips and hosting reviews, and let me know in the comments which code worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.